video we're going to begin Visual C# computer programming, and we're going to actually create a Hello World application in Windows Forms. Go ahead and open C# Express, go to New Project, change your file name to Hello World. Now you can see we got a form. Now go ahead and click Toolbox. Go ahead and double click Label to create you a label. Double click Button, create a button. And just drag them to wherever you feel comfortable. And now with the label selected, I'm going to change the label name from Label 1 to LBL Hello World. You could change it to any different, you could change it different, but your code will look different than mine. Instead of typing LBL Hello World, you have to type whatever you named it. With that being said, make the label blank or whatever you want. I'm going to make mine blank. It's always good to try new things to yourself to get a better feel. You don't have to do exactly what I'm doing, but I'm going to name my button change to change the text. And you can name it anything you want to, like I said before, and you could type anything you want to in the text field. I'm going to go ahead and type say, enter. Okay, we got these created. And if you want to select your blank label, you will have to drag and click and highlight where the blank label is, because it's almost impossible to actually pick a blank label up with just clicking. Go ahead and double click save, and we're going to go in the code view whenever you click that. And notice here up here where you could actually go back to the designer if you click this. However, in C# it's a little bit different than Visual Basic. So but the easiest way to go ahead and go back to the form is just click the tab up here. Let's go back to our code, and here's our method where we're going to type our code where it says button change click. This code in this body executes whenever the button change is clicked. So let's go ahead and type LBL Hello World dot text, which changes the label of Hello World's text value to in this video Hello World, or whatever you wish to change it to. And in C# you always have to use what's called a terminator, which will be a semicolon. So go ahead and enter your terminator at the end there, or else you will get a syntax error. Okay, let's go ahead and click play or hit F5 and you can debug. Click say Hello World. It's working fine and dandy. So key features to know in C#, your program begins with the program.cs, and it actually executes your form on application.run, and this method just builds it. So don't change any of this or you'll just screw your program completely up. Go ahead and actually create the class of form 1. Is form 1 derived from the actual form, so just leave that be for right now. We'll go over like how classes are derived from one another later in more advanced tutorials. With that being said, thank you for watching. Check out my other videos.